How to lose weight with the Mediterranean Keto Diet Plan. The Mediterranean Keto Diet combines two of the most popular and effective eating patterns, the ketogenic diet and the Mediterranean diet. This hybrid approach merges the low-carb, high-fat principles of keto with the heart-healthy foods and lifestyle habits of the Mediterranean region. Thus, it offers a sustainable way to achieve weight loss while promoting overall health. What is the Mediterranean Keto Diet? The Mediterranean Keto Diet is a variation of the traditional ketogenic diet, emphasizing nutrient-rich foods commonly found in Mediterranean cuisine. It still maintains the low-carb, high-fat principles necessary to achieve ketosis but prioritizes 1. Healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. 2. Lean proteins, fish, seafood, poultry, and eggs. 3. Low-carb vegetables, spinach, broccoli, zucchini, and eggplant. 4. Limited dairy, Greek yogurt and feta cheese in moderation. Unlike standard keto, which can rely heavily on processed meats and saturated fats, the Mediterranean Keto Diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods that support long-term health. Why is the Mediterranean Keto Diet effective for weight loss? 1. Induces ketosis. The low-carb aspect of the diet reduces carbohydrate intake to around 20-50 grams per day, forcing the body to burn fat for energy instead of glucose. 2. Enhances satiety. Healthy fats, lean proteins, and fiber-rich vegetables keep you full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. 3. Reduces inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil, fatty fish, and nuts help improve metabolic health and facilitate fat loss. 4. Supports sustainable eating. The Mediterranean influence makes the diet more enjoyable and less restrictive, increasing adherence and long-term success. 5. Balances nutrient intake. This diet provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, ensuring that weight loss doesn't compromise overall health. Steps to lose weight with the Mediterranean Keto Diet. 1. Set your macronutrient goals. Aim for a macronutrient ratio of 70% fats, 20-25% protein, 5-10% carbohydrates. Use a keto calculator to customize these ratios based on weight, activity level, and goals. 2. Focus on Mediterranean keto foods, healthy fats, extra virgin olive oil, avocado, and nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts. Proteins: salmon, sardines, chicken, eggs, and small amounts of lean beef. Low-carb vegetables: zucchini, cauliflower, spinach, and artichokes. Herbs and spices: basil, oregano, rosemary, and garlic for added flavor without extra carbs. 3. Avoid high-carb foods. Eliminate grains, starchy vegetables, and sugary foods. Limit fruits to low-sugar options like berries. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and consider incorporating herbal teas. Electrolyte supplements may also help, especially during the initial phase. 5. Incorporate regular exercise. Combine the diet with physical activities such as walking, yoga, or strength training to enhance fat loss and overall fitness. Sample Mediterranean Keto Meal Plan Breakfast. 1. Scrambled eggs cooked in olive oil with spinach and feta cheese. Snack. 1. A handful of almonds or a few olives. Lunch. 1. Grilled salmon salad with mixed greens, avocado, cucumbers, and an olive oil lemon dressing. Snack. 1. Celery sticks with almond butter. Dinner. 1. Roasted chicken thighs with zucchini noodles and a side of cauliflower rice cooked in garlic-infused olive oil. Dessert. 1. A small portion of full-fat Greek yogurt topped with a few raspberries. Benefits of the Mediterranean Keto Diet. 1. Heart health. The focus on healthy fats like olive oil and fatty fish supports cardiovascular health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol, HDL. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Low-carb eating stabilizes blood sugar levels, making it an excellent option for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. 3. Sustainable weight loss. The diet's variety and nutrient-dense foods make it easier to maintain long-term, reducing the likelihood of regaining lost weight. 4. Enhanced cognitive function. The anti-inflammatory properties of the Mediterranean keto diet may improve brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 5. Better digestion. High fiber intake from vegetables and nuts promotes gut health, reducing bloating and improving digestion. Challenges and how to overcome them. 1. Keto flu. When transitioning to ketosis, you may experience fatigue, headaches, or irritability. Combat this by staying hydrated and replenishing electrolytes with spinach, avocado, and nuts. 2. Finding balance. Striking the right macronutrient balance can be tricky. Use tracking tools or apps to ensure you're meeting your goals. 3. Social situations. Dining out can be challenging. Opt for grilled proteins and vegetable sides, and ask for olive oil-based dressings. 4. Cost of ingredients. Quality olive oil, fresh fish, and nuts can be expensive. Plan meals and buy in bulk to save money. Tips for success on the Mediterranean keto diet. 1. Plan ahead. Meal prepping and shopping lists can help you stay on track and avoid high-carb temptations. 2. Experiment with recipes. Try Mediterranean-inspired dishes like zucchini lasagna, cauliflower tabbouleh, or keto-friendly moussaka to keep meals interesting. 3. Stay active. Incorporate regular exercise and embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle by walking after meals or practicing mindfulness. 4. Listen to your body. Adjust portion sizes and macronutrient ratios based on your energy levels and weight loss progress. 5. Celebrate small wins. Track your progress and reward yourself with non-food related treats like a new book or fitness gear. Conclusion: the Mediterranean keto diet offers a balanced, flexible, and health-focused approach to weight loss. Combining the best elements of the Mediterranean and ketogenic diets provides an effective way to shed pounds while supporting overall well-being. Whether new to keto or looking for a more sustainable alternative, the Mediterranean keto diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals without sacrificing flavor or health. Loudspeaker, let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with others.